living like there's no tomorrow. Because there isn't one.
Pretty little snook. That's what we were looking for. I'm not sure if it was jack or trout or snook or whatever, but they were just busting top water right in front of me. Oh! I think it's a big trout. Oh, it's a big snook. Yeah. Sweet. That's my biggest snook in a while. There's a few of you over there, aren't there? Uh-huh. He revealed the weak one of the group. Revealed the good spot. It's like a solid 20-incher. I'm gonna need the pliers. That is a sweet snook on top water. Hell yeah. That's always awesome. There's some more over there, I'm pretty sure. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Snook on top water. There he goes. Alright, let's get another one because I'm pretty sure there's more over there. Because they were just absolutely crushing bait there. There was more than one fish there, absolutely. So let's get back there. Alright, let's catch some more. Let's catch something bigger. Come on. That was a big snook though. That was like one of my biggest this year. That's another snook. Oh, it's nice. Hit it right next to the boat. That's crazy. Woo! It's like the same size as the other one almost. Go ahead and get the hook out so get a look at him. He like hit it right by the boat. I was throwing at the shoreline over there because I thought that's where they're all coming from. The other one was definitely a little bigger, but there's some other guys fishing, so I'm gonna go ahead and get them in the water before they know what's up. All right. Oh, it's a nice snook. It's a nice snook. Woo! Holy crap, this is the third snook today. lost a few too. I mean, it's a nice fish. So it's not exactly the giant I've been looking for, but that's like what we're gonna be catching all day. And those are awesome, super fun. All right. Come on, buddy. There he goes. Alright, so now we've got some docks going pretty thick over here. Redfish. Hey. He came out of nowhere. Off of this dock here. Alright guys, look at that beautiful redfish. Woo! On the terrorize, right in the corner of the mouth. Alright. Look at that. I think what happened was he may have been on that dock and he just followed it right up to the kayak like that. Smashed it right in front of me. Gave me a heart attack. Whew, beautiful fish. It's probably solid, like almost a 20 incher, like an 18 incher. It's beautiful colors on that thing too. It's a nice one. It's like a 20 incher, dude. Oh, I gotta get him out of there. Oh God. I think it's a snook. Oh yeah, I think it is. No, it's red. They're in the docks. Damn, that was hard to get him out. Oh, it's a nice one. He got bigger. Got me wet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Little rat, but it doesn't even matter. That is so fun. So they ended up being a little deeper than I thought they would be today. They ended up moving out to these docks, even though it is on the full tide. Let me get a good view of that guy. Beautiful red fish. Probably like a little, he's a lot smaller than the other one. He's still a solid 16, 17 incher. The other one was probably like 20 something, 20 or so. But they are so gold today. That bronze color is so bright. Another one on the terrorize. Got me all soaked. Holy crap, I just got a giant red off this dock, guys. That was so stupid. Oh my god. That's my giant. That's my biggest ever redfish. Biggest ever. By far. Oh my god. Look at that thing, bro. That is crazy. That is like my biggest redfish ever. And I just caught him right off this dock on the Speed Demon bass rod. Look at that, guys. Alright, well, I'm gonna get him back in the water. So. There we go. Oh. Oh no. That was a freaking monster. He just freaking got me on the pylon there. Oh my god. That was a snook. Big one.